What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Like the thumbnail says, today we're talking ABS modules. Yes, a lot of us Hummer H2 owners and some of the H1 owners run into issues with this module. The easiest way to get this fixed is to just drop it off at the shop and they'll go ahead and order you a new one. If you'd like to tackle with your H2 problems yourself, I would like to introduce you to a website that offers a repair service for the ABS module. It's going to be the first link on the description of today's video. By the way, if you've been watching my videos and you find them helpful, or if you like what we've been putting out, do me a favor, subscribe if you haven't yet, hit the like button on today's video. It's going to help the video get shared by the algorithm. So again, ABS module problems. It's a common problem that we get on our H2s, and again, like I said a second ago, Hummer H1 owners also run into problems with this module, and it's kind of like a hard thing to get sometimes. I've seen people message me on I have people messaging me on Instagram saying, hey, I found a module at the junkyard, should I go ahead and try that? And my first answer to that, it's really up to you. I mean, if you want to take the risk and go ahead and go to your local junkyard and get a used module that who knows what, with what has been through, go ahead. But again, the reason why I'm making today's video is because I myself have used this website in the past. One thing that I want to get out there, I don't want you guys to think that this website got in touch with me and told me, hey, kind of like advertise my services, anything. No, I've used them in the past. It's been a few years now, and the service was great. Yesterday, somebody went ahead and commented on a previous an older video and asked me, hey, here's the problem that I'm having, what do you recommend? Just because of that right there, and because of other people asking me on Instagram, is again the reason why I decided, you know what, why not make a video, share this website with you guys. So if you want to go ahead and take your module out yourself, ship it to this guys. Now, one thing that I want to remind you, please do yourself a favor, send this guys a message before you send your modules so that you have an idea of what the shipping time is going to be, because remember, we are in a time where shipping, it's kind of like a hustle sometimes to ship things and get them back. So do yourself a favor, if you're going to go ahead and use this service, get in touch with this guys, ask them, hey, what is the turnaround time, just so that you know what time frame you're going to be looking into. So thanks a lot for watching. It was just a quick video to introduce you to this website. Again, if you're new to the channel, you've been watching our videos, you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button so this video get catch by the algorithm and share it with people that are new to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.